We're going to use Access to calculate dates. So open this sample file here, date calculation car hire foundation business, and this is the screen you'll see first. Go to options and enable this content, then OK. Let's have a look at the table. So double click that table to open it. And in here you'll see various people's names, address. The next field is what really interests us, the date the car was purchased. And you'll see various dates going down that column. We're going to calculate how many years this company has had these cars, which means we're going to subtract today's date and take away these dates here. That will tell us how many years. You can't do that in the table, you have to do it in a query. So we're going to create close that one first. The query design, there's only one table here, so add that table and then close. Let's take the first name, last name, and this is the important field here, date car purchased. Take that field too. In this blank field here, this is where we're going to write the formula that we need to do the calculation. First of all, we need the name for this new field, and let's call it years. And then you have to put a colon after that. That's really important or it won't work. Then a space, and then type date diff, no spaces. I'm just going to stretch this along so you can see it. So date diff, and then open up a normal bracket, then inverted commas, and y. That's for the year. Close inverted commas. Then put a comma. Now that y is going to give you today's date, and if we then put in a square bracket, and we're going to type the name of this field here, the date the car was purchased. You don't have to use capital letters, as long as you spell it the same way it will work. Then close the square bracket, then a comma, and after that put in now. Open and then close a bracket, and we're still left with one unclosed bracket which refers to this open bracket here. So if you press that close bracket and make sure the tick is on here so that we can see the field appearing in our answer, and then run the query. And here you see how many years from today since the car was bought. So there you see 2009, 3 years, 2010, 2 years, 2011, 1 year.